I still miss you though. Looking cute at every Christmas party, posting on my story, still I let us know. Joyful, 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 raise your voice. Everybody come and raise your voice so loud. Hey, let me tell the truth. If I remember we would sit by the fire, I hold hands. Sweet smell of sugar and spice was absent. Like the season you was gone, but the wind fall when it's spring. Back around with my December blues, I've been feeling again. So listen, I really wanna know what we went wrong. I wanna know if you would hear this song. And if I could turn back the time, you would in my arms again. But there's some things that I can't change. So now, this ain't winter without you. No more joy, no laughter. Wish that I could turn it back around when I'm falling down. So how am I supposed to go without you? Days gone cold, so won't you say that you'll be home for Christmas? Heavy snow pouring out my window. Pretty stars and angels. Don't go for long. Don't wait, boy, I need you for sure. So I keep wishing and hoping you walk through the door. Honey, 'cause I know we'll fight through the road. The song is hanging with my baby. Please hurry up, hurry up. I will stay up all night. Alright, the moment I will be the same and play back every moment.
There's nobody else to run to, believing it like it's true.
That you will come to rescue. I never miss you. Now tell me how.